Okay, let's create a seamless file with the images that we created. First of all, I'm going to show you the easiest way and the simple way to create a seamless design. Important setting here is when you click the plus button, this time we're going to create a canvas that is 4000 pixels by 4000 pixels. And it is going to be 300 dpi's, or you can keep it at 600. We are going to bring one of our images into our canvas, and I'm going to choose this one. Important setting here is that when you select your layer with the select tool, make sure the snapping, magnetics, and the snapping is turned on. From here, we are going to put this image in the middle of our canvas. Then we are going to duplicate this and snap it to this corner. We are going to duplicate the original layer, then we're going to snap it here. Then we are going to duplicate this original one again and snap it here. We're going to do it one more time for this corner, and then we are going to merge all of this layer. Next, we are going to select this layer. We are going to duplicate it. We are going to bring this one here and snap it here. Then we are going to select this one, the original one, and duplicate it again and snap it here. Duplicate the original one, snap it here, and then select the original one and snap it here. This way, as you can see, our image became a seamless file, which means if I merge all of these, duplicate it, and repeat that same rule, which means making different layers and then snapping them to each corner like this, we created a seamless file that will go on and on and on forever, where you can sell these and your customers can use them on their print on demand, their stationery products, fabrics, anything you can think of. And it is important to leave the background blank, because then you can add a new layer here, and then from here you can just drag and drop, and then you can create different variations of the seamless file with different colors, whichever color you think looks the best. And then we are going to save this. You can share this and save this as a PNG or a JPEG. In the next video, I'm going to show you a more complicated seamless file design.